Gold prices fell hard Tuesday after setting the eighth new all-time high in 9 sessions, trading back below $2,900 per troy ounce in London's bullion market as number one consumer China showed weak demand. The arbitrage with New York's Comex futures market retreated again, despite President Trump threatening more trade tariffs, and U.S. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said he's in no rush to cut the cost of borrowing dollars. The price of gold bullion in London spiked as high as $2,942 per troy ounce in early Asian trade, but then sank by 2% down to $2,882, before rallying towards the $2,900 mark again. Shanghai gold prices, meantime, set a fresh record at 690 yuan per gram, before falling to 684 yuan and showing a discount against London, quotes of more than $11 per troy ounce, deterring new bullion imports. The gap between London quotes and New York's most active CME gold futures contract, then eased towards $20 per ounce, more than halving the arbitrage offered to new deliveries into the USA, since it peaked at $50 ahead of President Trump's re-inauguration. Geopolitical uncertainty should continue to underpin gold's appeal, says Swiss banking giant and London bullion clearer UBS. Notably, it could take time for investors to evaluate the trajectory of U.S. tariffs and the U.S. president's offer to take over the Gaza Strip. Although the Fed is unlikely to cut rates in the coming months, we do still expect further easing later in the year as inflation falls and growth cools. This fall in U.S. rates lowers the opportunity cost of holding zero-yielding assets such as gold, and gold's appeal as a store of value and hedge against uncertainty has again proven itself to many investors. Confirming 25% tariffs on all U.S. imports of aluminum and steel starting in mid-March, President Trump also said overnight that he will impose reciprocal tariffs against nations applying tariffs to U.S. products. "It's not fair," said Trump. "Other countries have taken advantage of us for so many years, and now, all of a sudden, we're not allowed to have tariffs?" With the dollar edging back on the FX market, despite Powell and Trump's comments, the UK gold price, meantime, spiked to a new record, £2,381 per troy ounce, while Euro gold prices hit €2,856, before also dropping back to halve this week's gain so far at 1.4%. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.